India's Tejas Mach 1A competes with Saab's Gripen E for a fighter jet contract with the Philippines. Tejas offers cost-effectiveness at $43 million per unit, compared to Gripen E's $85 million. Gripen E boasts superior performance with larger weapons payload and longer range. Philippines must weigh initial cost against performance, life cycle expenses, and upgrade potential before making a decision. Zeus Numerics, an Indian defense technology firm, introduces GPS-guided mortar and artillery kits, transforming existing shells into precision munitions. Retrofitting 81mm mortar and 155mm artillery shells, the kits offer up to 5,000 meters range with less than 10 meters circular error probable. Dual-mode GPS and inertial navigation system ensure robust guidance, enhancing battlefield effectiveness while reducing collateral damage and logistics costs. With modular, miniaturized, ruggedized design, the kits promise cost-effective precision artillery fire. India strengthens cruise missile capabilities with DRDO's SLCM trials for the Navy and Army's land-based missiles. Seeking autonomy, Army emphasizes indigenous production. Amid Ukraine conflict, India prioritizes cruise missiles for deterrence against China and Pakistan. GTRE explores tech transfer for Manic engine, engaging private sector to double production capacity.